Hello traders, this is Greg Kilpack with the Trader's Plan on the Options Trading Desk. Today is February 7th, 2022. I'd like to give you an update on what's going on in the markets, what I'm seeing right now. One thing that I've really noticed that's interesting lately is that some stocks and some indices are doing a lot better than others are. For example, the diamonds right here that trades just like the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's only down 5% right now. Just not too bad, right in the middle of the range that it's been in for the last few months. But that differs quite a bit from, say, the Qs that represents the Nasdaq stocks. Let's look at that. The Qs are way down here, well below the 50-day moving average, which is this line right here that you see. And it is currently down 12%. There are some stocks, on the other hand, that are not in either of these indices that are down 25 to 50%. So there's a lot of diversity in the markets as far as how well markets are doing and certain stocks are doing. That's kind of strange because markets generally move together, up or down. So that's kind of an interesting divergence that's happening right there. Let's look at our watch list and look at some stocks that are on my radar right now. First off, you've got Snapchat. Snapchat is clearly in a steady downtrend, and while it has bounced pretty hard in the last week or two, it went up quite a bit on Friday with the earnings report, but it's already starting to sell off just a little bit. So I'm curious to see if this is going to trend up or down from here, considering it's been in such a steady downtrend. And the fact that it's already starting to move down again after just one big up day, there's a pretty good chance that the current downtrend will remain in effect, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to keep watching this one. Another stock that I'm looking at, and I have been trading both of these for quite a bit for the last month or two, is Twitter, another stock in a steady downtrend. Twitter has bounced lately, as you can see in the last week or so. But already it's coming back down. It only went up for 1, 2, 3 or 4 days and then bounced up again for a couple of days. And it's already trading down below the high of just 3 trading days ago. So Twitter still not looking strong. I'm looking to short that again probably, or buy puts or put debit spreads on this. So that's what's going on. We've made a lot of money on these two stocks, shorting them and buying puts on them in the last month. And the big one that we've made money on several times I'd like to look at. This is Rivian. Let's get a close-up on Rivian. Narrow in. Okay, there, that's better. Since the first week of trading, Rivian has been all downhill. The sellers have greatly been beating up on the buyers ever since that first week after they went public. Okay, so we got a bounce in Rivian a week ago, and it only bounced up for 3 days. And it's still showing every sign that the downtrend is still in effect, in spite of a short, pretty heavy bounce. Look at this. It hit $50 a share and bounced all the way up to $71 a share. That is a huge bounce, except when you realize it's already dropped so hard. So that's why you see it only looks like a small bounce on the chart, even though it's almost a $22 bounce. On a $50 stock, that's huge. But in fact, considering how far it's dropped, it's really not that big a deal. I fully expect the downtrend to continue starting right now with Rivian. We've made money on 5 of our 6 trades on Rivian, Snapchat, and Twitter, and our other trades. So we're doing really well because I've been focusing on the short side. I like to short stocks and to buy puts on stocks when they're dropping because you can make money fast, and I like that. So if you need help with your trading, if you would like to get trade alerts from us and learn how to do credit and debit spreads, go to thetradersplan.com/options-income, and you can get that from us. Get those trade alerts that'll help you get profitable trades. And if you sign up right now, you'll get a free one-on-one consultation with me to look at your trading. Okay, everybody, have a great week and many profitable trades to you.